How to fix something went wrong Microsoft Office error tag 657RX. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the Microsoft error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So if you're getting this error right here from your Microsoft, you will see the tag this and the error code is this right here. This is what you do. First, you'll need to open up your settings, and after you open up your settings, on the left hand side you will see different options. You'll need to head over to your account section. Tap on it. After you're on your accounts section, scroll down under your account settings. You'll find an option that says access work or school. Simply tap on it, and after you tap on it, right here you will see different options. What you'll need to do is make sure that you're disconnected to any of your school or work account if you're connected to them. Simply disconnect, and after you disconnect, you can restart your device, and after you restart your device, your problem will get fixed. And it's that simple to fix it. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.